What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home, where I just make videos to show you how you can make money working online and from home. And in today's topic, we're going to use Canva in order to make thumbnails for YouTube. So if you are not familiar with Canva, you can actually go, they have the app, which is what I'm inside of right now. You can use the app. You can also use the online version. Okay, so it is a nice platform to where you can use to make different designs for different social media platforms, even business cards, logos, you name it, it's here. I'm just going to do a quick scroll down. Instagram, logos, Facebook posts, flyers, posters, the list goes on and on and on. Okay, so anyway, for this video we will be discussing how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Now the great thing about this is that you can use the templates that are already on here. You can also start from scratch when using your when you're making these graphics. But for this one, we're just going to type in YouTube thumbnail, and then when you click on that, it just shows you all the different options that you have. Okay, so you can use that blank one in the top left. In this one, I'm just going to select one. Okay, let's just go with the bacon one. Okay, and then what you want to do is you can easily just click on the text. Okay, and then you can edit the text that's inside of it. So I'll let's just make something up. Yum yum vlog. Okay, and you can just download it. You see at the top right where it has the arrow pointing down, you can download that into to your phone, and then you can upload that into YouTube. So as you can see, it's really easy, and you can also customize all the different things on here. You can change the pictures out that's already there, and it's really simple. You can change the colors of your text, you name it, you can do it on here. And the great thing is that you don't need a premium account. You can use the free account that's already on there, which is a good thing if you're just looking for something new. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty easy to use. And then after you're done, you just click on done, and you just download it. And then let's just select a different one. Okay, so we're gonna leave edit mode, and we'll just select another one. Okay, as you can see, these are my designs that I've used to make my thumbnails. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on the plus sign, and then we'll go ahead and type in the YouTube thumbnail again. And again, just pick something out. And then I'm going to click on the text and go to travel vlog or something like that. It can be whatever you want, easy to use. And then again, you can change out the pictures in the background, and then when you're done, you just click on the done, and then you make any other additional edits that you may need, and then you just upload it into YouTube. And that's about it. Again, they have the desktop version of Canva, and you can also use the mobile one, which is what I'm using. So anyway, hope this video helps you get a better understanding on how to make these videos. Make these thumbnails. And then again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed today's content, and then looking forward to seeing you in the next video.